The product development lifecycle, or PDLC, is the full journey a product takes from the moment an idea is born until the product retires from the market. It helps teams build products in a structured, predictable, and customer-focused way. PDLC is used in software, hardware, consumer goods, tech startups, and even large enterprise environments. Understanding the PDLC helps organizations turn creative ideas into real, valuable solutions. The first stage of the PDLC is ideation, where teams brainstorm potential product ideas. This is the creative phase, and it often involves things like workshops, interviews, and a bit of market research. The purpose here is to identify real problems that customers face and, well, explore possible solutions. Companies like Google and Apple, they invest heavily in ideation because stronger ideas usually lead to more successful products. After ideation, the next step is the concept and feasibility stage. Here, teams take a good look and evaluate whether the idea is realistic, practical, and technically possible. They ask questions like, do we have the skills to build this? And will customers actually want it? This stage prevents companies from wasting time and money on ideas that sound exciting but are not achievable or profitable. Next is the requirements and planning phase. In this stage, teams collect user needs, business objectives, and technical requirements. The goal is to define what the product must do and how it should behave. Product managers, business analysts, and customers work closely to remove confusion early. Good planning reduces rework later in the life cycle. Once requirements are clear, the PDLC moves into the design phase. At this stage, designers create wireframes, UI mockups, architecture diagrams, and workflows. This is the point where the product really begins to take shape both visually and technically. The design stage makes sure that everyone has a shared understanding of how the product should look, feel, and function. The development phase is where engineers begin building the product. Code is written, features are implemented, and different components are integrated. Teams typically follow Agile or Scrum practices, delivering the product in small increments. This helps catch issues early and ensures the product evolves with customer feedback. Following development is the testing and quality assurance, or QA stage. The product is checked for bugs, performance issues, security risks, and usability problems. Testers use manual and automated methods to ensure the product meets expected standards. This step is critical because even a great product design can fail if the quality is poor. Once the product passes testing, it enters the launch or deployment phase. This is where the product actually goes live to users. Launch activities may include marketing campaigns, user training, documentation, and making sure support is ready. A successful launch means customers really understand the value of the product and, well, can use it effectively from day one. After launch, the product enters the maintenance and support phase. During this time, teams fix bugs, release updates, improve features, and respond to customer feedback. And this phase can last for years. Many companies actually follow a continuous improvement model where small enhancements are delivered regularly to keep customers satisfied. Eventually, every product reaches the evaluation stage. The team then assesses how well the product is performing in the market, whether it meets business goals, and if it still solves customer problems. Based on this evaluation, the product may get new features, new versions, or a complete redesign. The final stage is retirement, where the product is phased out. This may happen because the market has changed, better technologies are available, or customer needs have evolved. Retirement is planned carefully to avoid disrupting customers. Companies often provide migration paths or replacement solutions. Overall, the PDLC provides a clear, structured roadmap for taking a product from idea to retirement. It helps organizations build products that are valuable, high quality, and aligned with customer needs. Understanding each stage makes it easier for teams to collaborate and deliver successful products.